Coming on to the let us start with your English. Good morning to everyone and good morning to one and all. Children, open your textbook, English textbooks, and also open the page number 144. Brother, my brother. Here, brother, my brother means what? The two brothers are going to accompanying with each other and they are telling that brother, my brother. And in this lesson, we are going to observe that how the brothers are going to be united and how they are going to be helpful with one another and how they are going to be survived with the difficulties if both of them will be going to become hand in hand means how they are going to be survived we have to observe in this lesson. Here, Sher Singh's little brother lay in the hut with pain in the stomach that was getting worse. Here, the Sher Singh's brother was sleeping, having some stomach ache, and he was sleeping, and that stomach ache was going to become very worse than that of what he was going to be expected in the earlier. But Sher Singh himself was only 12 years when we are going to see about the age of that Sher Singh was. He was 12 years old. 12 years old, small and always active and a child of the jungle. He was born in the land or in the side of that jungle. And his brother was several years younger. And his brother was several years younger than that of Sher Singh. There had been other children, of course. In between these two, there had been other children, of course, but they will be dead due to the effect of cholera and influenza. Here, the Sher Singh's brother was Kunwar. His name was Kunwar. And here, the author was writing out the rags in boiling water and lay them on his stomach. Here, Sher Singh was going to be put some boiling water on his stomach for giving something about the relief from the stomach ache. But is it possible? Sometimes it is going to be work out and sometimes it should be failure. And here lay them on his stomach, and in the meantime the mother was telling that not weak, she had lived through everything over and over again. And also, she was telling that she did not weep. She was not going to be weep because all the sons, those who are in between the Sher Singh and also in the Kunwar, they will be going to be dead. So his eyes was going to be dried up. She had lived through everything over and over again. She was going to be faced with the difficulties again and again. So her eyes will be become dry little bit. The steaming cloth did nothing. Here, the steaming cloth was doing nothing on his stomach, but the stomach pain will be going higher and higher. After a while, Sher Singh's mother said, after a little times later, the mother will be telling that he must be carried to the hospital at Kalaghat. And she was announced that he was taken to the Kalaghat hospital. But Sher Singh knew that his brother was dying. Sher Singh was knowing that his brother was dying with the pain. I will run for my father, he cried. In the meantime, he was announced that I am going to call the father. But is it possible? It may be days before you find him. If you are going to find your father, you can need the earlier of these days. Now he was not available because Sher Singh's father was known to that place far and wide. He was going towards to the far and far away. As Sher Singh's father was called as Bahadur, the brave famous hunter. He was notable person as a brave and famous hunter with the title Bahadur added to his name like a medal. Likewise, when he was going to become the famous hunter, so Bahadur, as the name was added for his name like a medal. because of all had done. All he was going to be done. Whenever an expedition entered the jungle in search of big game, either to shoot or photograph them, they sent for this man, Bahadur the Brave. Whenever the expedition, that means some expedition was going to be conducted or a trip made towards to the jungle, they will carry this Bahadur for making as to the shooter, as to taking as to the photograph. So this Bahadur was gone to the forest for taking some pictures or shooting the animals. Now he was away in the jungle with a photographic expedition. Bahadur was went towards to the forest for taking some photographs in the forest area. All the men of Laldwani village too, all those who are the men lived in that Laldwani village, they will also going towards to taking us to the expedition or accompanying with the Bahadur for taking the photos or as to the beaters. Beaters means one who is going to beat some drums and making of drum for spreading of the animals for shooting purpose or making taking some photos. Likewise, they were called as beaters. Sher Singh looked at his brother and saw death in his eyes. Sher Singh looked at his brother when he was going to observe towards his brother, and he was saw death in his eyes. He was observed that the death will be appeared in the eyes of whose? That means Kunwar's eyes. He was observed that the death will be occurred. Likewise, he was going to make his eyes. There are no men in the village. When Sher Singh was searched that for the help, and he was identified that no men were seen in the village, so he was thinking that I will take him, and he was decided to take that fellow into the hospital because nobody can be stayed in the village. They all went towards to making some hunting or taking some photographs in the forest. So he was thinking that he was the only person to carry his brother Kunwar. He is too big for you. Kunwar is little bit bigger for Sher Singh. And this was said by mother. She spoke in a whisper of despair. She spoke in a whisper of disappointment. You will never get there. You cannot going to get your brother into the Kalagat hospital. Likewise, she was gone whispering. But Sher Singh was having something in his hopes, so he was decided to set nothing. He set off, it was evening, and he was telling that it was already evening took place. All the huts of the Laldwani village lay in a strong orange glow. Here it was the evening was going to be happen. All the huts will be glowing to a light or putting some candles that will become a orange glow. Around the village were spread their bits of cultivation. Around that village, they will spread their cultivation. Also, cultivation means the farmer will go on growing some seeds or growing some crops. That is called cultivation. The land will be cultivated. After that, the jungle will begin. Attaching to the jungle, the farmers were do some cultivation in that village. Apart from that, the jungle was going to be began. Kalagat was at least 50 miles away, but Sher Singh hoped that if he could get through the jungle. Here, when we are walking through the road, that Kalagat will need to take 50 miles away. But Sher Singh was decided to carry his brother throughout the jungle. When he was crossing towards to the two rivers in between, after that something will be going to give lift in a bullock cart. They will get the bullock cart for dropping out. After that, he was going to take a truck for the last part of his journey. He was thinking like that. It means, and I am going to pass firstly jungle, passing of two rivers. After that, I am going to get the bullock cart, and after that, somebody will be taken into the truck towards to the hospital. Likewise, he was thinking in his mind. But not yet, he was alone on the track that wound into the forest night. That means here, that forest will be approaches very dark night, because in the earlier only told it is the forest. When we are entering into the forest, it looks like a dark night. Not quite alone, though in this jungle lived the animals of the forest. And here there was not a forest alone. In that forest, something like the animals like the monkeys, the peacocks, tigers, and panthers, and bears and elephants are lived in that forest. Means here they and all something about to the wild animals are there, or the pet animals are there, or the national bird will be there. He was thinking that thing, and also decided to take his brother Kunwar into that forest. The deer were now so poached and disseminated that the beasts of prey had to kill domestic animals for food. Here, the deer and something about to the wild animals had killing towards to the prey as to their domestic animals for their food. And sometimes even man is also going to be killed the deer and some of the animals for their food. Night fell, the sky blazed with stars. Night will be going to be occurred, and the sky will show that the shining with stars. On a edge of the sea, above a river bed, Shersingh knew he could go no further without rest. When he was entering to the river bed, and he was observed that I am going to take a rest, because he was holding his brother in his back, and it was going to be become something about the restless. So he was deciding to take little rest, and afterwards I am going to take his brother towards to the hospital. He was thinking like that. Sweat was running off his shaking flesh, and sweatness will be appeared from his flesh. He set Kunwar down gently against a tree, and he was leaned the Kunwar towards to the tree, and suddenly all of Sher Singh's muscles, and now the Sher Singh's muscles will be shrinking back to their natural position. In the earlier, the muscles will be shrunken, now it coming into natural position, and he was going to be thrilled with piercing pain. How it was going to be pain, he was thrilling or happening that pain, and he was noticed that how it was going to be pain. In the earlier, he was thinking that it is easy to carry his brother towards that jungle, but now he knows about the pain of how it is going to be happen. He lay against a tree with his eyes shut, recovering. He was also taking some rest, laying towards to the tree, against the tree, and also he was going to making his eyes will be shutted little bit. After that, recovering, it was then that he heard the jostle and squeal of elephant, and after that, he heard something about the voice of the elephant, and he was observed that below him on the river bed. And he was observed that on the river bed, the elephants will be traveling. And he was shivered in that time, because his brother will be there. Sher Singh chilled with fright. He was having some anger, having some fearness towards seeing that animal. Carrying Kunwar, he could neither climb nor run. Here he was not going to climb the tree or nor run. He was sitting in front of the tree, and he was praying towards to the gods. And all the prayer fled up like birds from his frightened spirit, and it was going away like the birds will be spreading. The tusker snort, the tusker will be making the sounds, harsh sound, and trumpeted. It also making some trumpets. Trumpets means sounds. Shook their head, it will shaking their ear and their head, and also angrily they had some water and they will disappear. After that, the elephants will be disappeared in that jungle. Sher Singh breathed one more prayer. Now Sher Singh was breathed easily and also telling us of thanks this time and got ready to move with Kunwar and telling to the thanks and was moving towards to the Kunwar and getting him up with Kunwar on his back once again. He was taking Kunwar on his back again. He also scrambled down. He was entering into the river bed and stepped into the river. After he was entering into the river bed and he was coming into the river and he was moving, passing, crossing into that river. As Sher Singh washed up onto the shore, water trickled in his footprints before sinking into the sand. And when Sher Singh was entering onto the shore, the water will be touches his boots before he was putting his leg onto the sand. Coming out of the river were another set of prints. After that, the legs will be making some prints onto the shore in the earlier and the after. Afterwards, he was going to observe that set of prints. It should be the tigers, and there was glitter in them too. Even as he looked, they dried, and he was observed that the printings it should be dried. That means it should be always dried up, and the prints will be appear very drastically and seen very clearly. After that, he was observing that the sky it shows that the midnight will be passed. He heard the second river ahead them. He was hearing about the river will be going to be roaring, and he was hearing about that voice. He heard it from far away. He was hearing about it from far away. A steady roar of flood. He was knowing about that. Some roaring was going to be taken in the flood. When he came out on the shore, when he was entering towards to the shore, he was observed that a big head of snow must have melted yesterday, and he was observed that some big heap of the snow will be melted in the yesterday, and here it is. That means so the water will be more and more, and you have to observe that heap will be seen green color in your textbook. You can observe that one. And he saw that a big head of snow must have melted yesterday, and here it was from bank to bank. It should be appeared from here to there. The river foamed. The river will be formed with foam. Foam means the snow is formed with the river. He looked for the bridge. He was observed that is the bridge will be there, but the bridge will be collapsed. So now how to cross? There was not a chance to swim. Here he was thinking that how to cross the river. There was not a chance to swim because the water will be so cold, because the water will become foamed. Even alone he would be lost. Even alone he was thinking that if I am alone means also it is not possible. Perhaps among the wreckage of the bridge, the brother was knowing about that Kunwar is on his back, and he was brought him water from the river in his heads. He was taking his heads on the upper side. My brother, the little boy whispered and drank. Here also they are going to be drinking the water, drank the water, and they will afterwards making something arrangements for themselves. Sher Singh here, Sher Singh gathered some grass and make that grass into rope, making a plucking of the grass and make that grass into rope, and he was going to be tighted that grass among the two, and they will be tied upon the two brothers, and they will tie the rope around his brother and also himself, and so they would keep together. They will be moving together, so they will tie up each other. Then he entered the water. Afterwards, he was entering into the water just above the bridge. Just above the bridge, he was came. The river seized and flattened them against the wreck. Here the river will be seized and also flattened them against the wreckage. That means the bridge will be broken. He could not move at first. He could not move at first. Then he edged forward into the maelstrom. After he was going to be coming into the maelstrom. Maelstrom means a larger violent whirlpool will be there. That's why he was passing on that easily. Feeling for the split ends of the bamboo, he was taken as to the help of the bamboo, and he was taken that help. He was observed that the whirlpool will be there, so he was crossed that maelstrom very cautiously. Timber banged and bruised him. In the meantime, the timber will be coming and it will go on heated for the shearsing, and it will cause some bruisedness. That means it makes some patches on his hands or the stomach or something where it was heated. It was so cold that he could hardly keep his hold, and the water will be so cold, so he was going to keep his hold very tightly on his brother. He could not get his breath in the spray. He was not going to be given his breath in that water. He did not know if his brother lived or died. He was not observed that his brother will be living or died, but he was keeping his hope and he was going to walk into that water. But he kept the child's head above water and inch by inch moved along. He was taking his brother's head above of the water, and he moved by inch. He was walking in the water inch by inch. Then the river seemed to lose power they were through. Afterwards, the river will be going to be let loosening of his power, and they were walking through along the water. After that, Sher Singh did not know what happened. After that, Sher Singh was not knowing that what is going to be happened. He was wet and ice cold, and after a long time he was observed that he was wet and he was become ice cold. He is going to be attacked, but he stumbled on. But he was to walk in unsteadily manner. He was walking on and on. His knees will be bent and trembling. His knees will be now becoming, the muscle will be aching. So he was walking with trembling. That means moving here and there. They gave way. He was crawling. After that, he was going to be crawling on the road also. Likewise, his legs will be bented. There was a road, then there was a better road. He was thinking that there was a road, then there was a better road. He observed that. Suddenly, suddenly observed that the people will be walking here and there. After that, the next he knew they were in a bullock cart, then a truck. He was knowing that. After that, he was knowing that some were taking these two persons or these two children towards to the bullock cart, and then after he was going towards to the truck, towards to the hospital. Where have you come from, boy? Some doctor or some nurses or something or some peons are going to be asked, where are you coming from, boy? Here the Sher Singh was answered, Lal Dwani. You carried him alone across the river in flood. That doctor was going to be asked, you carried him alone. You are the only person for carrying that person across the river in flood. He was asking surprisingly, because they are all knowing about it, how the harshness or how the coldness of the river. They were at the hospital now. They were in the hospital. Sher Singh always felt shy of big buildings. Sher Singh always seeing the big buildings, he was to become shy. He did not enter in Much later, after some time later, the doctor came out in the veranda and called out. And afterwards, the doctor will be coming in and he was called the out of that Sher Singh. Sher Singh Bahadur, are you there? Sher Singh Bahadur, you are there. That means here he is asking. My father is not here, replied the boy. It means Sher Singh was thinking that he was asking about his father, and Sher Singh was telling that my father is not here, replied the boy. Going up to the veranda, he was entering into the veranda for seeing about his brother Kunwar, and he was announced that, but I am Sher Singh and not the Bahadur. I am the Sher Singh. He was announced that you are the boy who brought the child from Lal Dhwani. And here the doctor is asked, you are the boy who brought the child from Lal Dhwani. And here the Sher Singh was telling that, yes. Then a smile broke all over the doctor's great gentle face. Now the doctor will be smiled and give the appreciation of the Sher Singh's bravery, how he was going to be achieved for his brother's life. Sher Singh Bahadur, he said, your brother will live, come and see. Now the doctor will be announced that your brother will be getting cured and he was going to be become live. Come and see your brother. In the end, the doctor will be appreciated towards to the bravery of the Sher Singh and how he was going to be achieved in a smaller age only. He was going to made possible was it was going to be not going to be become an impossible thing was to done as a possible thing. So doctor will be happier now also. So he was giving some appreciation towards to the Sher Singh. Okay, thank you children.